Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, if you're having poor network on your Android phone, here is how to check for network speed on your Android phone to know if your network is good or bad. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your phone master. After you open up your phone master, scroll down right here, proceed to network assistant. Then scroll down right here, click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on show network speed. Go ahead and click on that. Here we go. Then make sure this particular button here is enabled right here. Once it's enabled, you have the signal of your network speed like this on the top of your phone. It's that simple. So this signal here, it simply means that your network is active and full. If it is something like this, it simply means that the network is not full. So you can see here that this one here left with one bar to full, but this one here it show full signal. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.